Alright, so we're continuing with lesson 7 from the Hiragana series, and this is the M series. So the first thing we're going to do is to write out the M series again in the Romaji that we used previously. So we have ma, we have mi, we have mu, we have me, and we have mo. So to write these in hiragana, the first one goes like this: 1, 2, 3. That's ma. Mi looks like this: 1, 2. Mu is a little bit unusual, looks like this: 1, 2, 3. Me kind of looks like pretzel. It's 1, 2, and 1, 2. So, and mo looks like this: 1, 2, 3. Okay, and let me go back to mu, because the way that I showed is a way that you'll see commonly written, but it's not the official way. The official way is like this: 1, 2, 3. Once again: 1, 2, 3. Or if we want to draw that a little bit wider: 1, 2, 3. Once again, this is 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2. This is 1, 2, 3. So you can see that the ma and the mu look similar, except that the ma curls around to the left on the bottom, and the mo just angles to the right. The me looks a little bit like a pretzel here, and the mu, I don't know, to me it almost looks like some Arabic or something like that. At any rate, just to give some examples of how these things are supposed to be drawn, the first thing is make sure that the end here is sticking up. That should be sticking out right here. So if it's not, then you should adjust your writing. This should also stick out a little bit on the right side here. It's not supposed to join. It's not like a letter H. In this case, for the official style, this should also stick out a little bit. And this should also stick out a little bit. So another thing that we might take notice of here is that my mes are actually not quite official style. The official style should look something like this, right? And the reason that I say that is because, officially speaking, this should stick out a little bit here. A lot of people don't write it that way, but at least when you're learning, you should try to write it the proper way. Just like the stroke order can be important, that can be important as well. So, okay, so speaking of the stroke order is 1, 2, 3. Go across, across, and then down. So, looks like that. The stroke order here is 1 and then 2. So, the stroke order here is 1, 2, 3. The stroke order here is 1, 2. It's a rather poor excuse. So the stroke order here is 1, 2, 3. In other words, it's 1 and then 2, 3. So it's kind of opposite of the other one from up there. Just try it once more here. That's a relatively good match. So there you go. And we'll see you on the next session, which will be the Y sounds.